Today, you'll get your computer ready for coding. This is the first step in learning AI tools and implementing agent frameworks like CrewAI. Whether you're a designer, business owner, or just curious, this tutorial is for you. Why use Python and Visual Studio Code? Let's break it down. First, Python is the main language in AI development. It's popular because it's easy to read and write, making it perfect for beginners. Python allows you to create powerful programs without complex syntax. This helps you focus on core AI concepts. Next, Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a user-friendly code editor. It helps you write, organize, and test your code all in one place. VS Code is like a well-organized desk for your projects. It's easy to use and has many features that make coding manageable, especially for beginners. By learning Python and VS Code, you're setting a strong foundation for working with AI tools like CrewAI. These tools will help you create custom AI systems, even with no prior coding experience. Let's get started with the setup. First, let's install Python. Visit python.org. Download the latest version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Run the installer and check the box that says Add Python to Path. To check if Python is installed correctly, open your terminal. On Windows, use Command Prompt. On macOS or Linux, use Terminal. Type Python-V. You should see the installed version number in your result. Congratulations! You just used the terminal for the first time and wrote your first command prompt. Next, let's install Visual Studio Code. Go to Code, visualstudio.com. Download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer and complete the installation. To set up VS Code for Python development, open VS Code. Click on the extensions icon on the sidebar or press Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Python and install the official Python extension by Microsoft. I already have the extension installed, and now you should too. Now, VS Code is ready to help you write and run Python code easily. Let's run our first Python program. Return to the File Explorer. At the top of the side menu, click on Open Folder, create a new folder, or use any folder where you will have easy access to your files. Create a new folder, let's call it My First Code. Create a new file on the welcome screen, or use the shortcut Ctrl-N in the VS Code command palette, select Python file. In the text editor, write this line of code. Save it as test.py in the folder we just created. Open the terminal in VS Code, navigate to the files directory with the cd command, and run python test.py. You should see Hello World printed in the terminal. Starting with Python and VS Code provides a solid foundation for working with AI agents and, most importantly, multi-agent frameworks. These tools make it easier for you to create and manage custom AI systems, even with no prior coding experience. You can get this presentation and more resources on my website. Let's dive in and start building amazing projects together. See you next time.